Hello everyone. Let's study about systems of equation. There's several example problem about systems of equation. So let's go over each of some problems here. So first, the graph of a system of a linear equation and a nonlinear equation is shown. What is a solution xy to this system? To find the solution of the systems of equation is to find the intersecting points. So as a graph given, we can find the intersecting points as a 4 and 5. So you can find the 4 and 5 will be the solution here. So this is a simple graph given, so you can just find out intersecting points of the graph. So you can find the solution of systems of equation. And another question is, what if they are giving two equation of the line, and then how many solutions does the given systems of equation have? So let's changing to the slope-intercept form of each. So first, let's do negative 12x plus 14y equal to 36. Add 12x on both. So 14y equal to 12x plus 36. Divide by 14, and then y equal to 12 over 14x plus 36 over 14. If you simplify, y equal to 6 over 7x plus 18 over 7. And the next one is negative 6x plus 7y equal to negative 18. So for slope-intercept form, so for y, and you add 6x on both, 7y equal to 6x minus 18. Divide by 7 in everything. So y equal to 6 over 7x minus 18 over 7. When you check those both, the first one has a 6 over 7 as a slope, and then the second one has also 6 over 7 as a slope. And then first one has a 18 over 7 as y-intercept. The second graph has a negative 18 over 7. So that means the same slope with a different y-intercept. If you have a same slope with a different y-intercept, the graph looks like a parallel never intersect. So there's no intersecting point. Remember, same slope with a different y-intercept, then the two lines are parallel, never intersect. That means no solution. That means no solution. So zero intersecting points. Okay, and then another, look at this. If a new graph of three linear equation is created using the system of equation shown and the equation x plus 4y equal to negative 16. How many solutions xy will the resulting system of three equation have? So there's a three line, but two line is a graph, and then one given as an equation. So let's try to change this one to the slope-intercept form. So x plus 4y equal to negative 16, and you subtract x on both. So 4y equal to negative x minus 16. Divide by 4, so y equal to negative 1/4 x minus 4. And if I try to graph it here, slope is a negative 1/4, y-intercept is a negative 4. So y-intercept is negative 4, slope is a negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Negative 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then if you go the other side, the graph looks like this, and then graph it. Looks like this line here and this line here looks like a parallel. If there's a parallel, that means never intersect. That means no solution. To make sure, the first graph, let's see, the y-intercept is a 4, and then y-intercept slope will be, you go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is negative 1/4. Same slope, different y-intercept, they never intersect. Those two lines never intersect. So even though the first two line here is intersecting here, that's not going to be a solution because they're trying to find the solution of three linear equation. That means you need to find the intersecting points of three. but there's no intersecting because of two lines are parallel. So this is a 0. And then another questions here. Y equal to 6x plus 18. One of the equation in a system of two linear equations is given. The system has no solution. No solution means same slope and then different y-intercept. Remember, same slope with a different y-intercept. Which equation could be second equation in the system? So we will try to find the equation given for A. Let's add 6a, add 6x. So y equal to 6x plus 18. It appears to be same slope with the same y-intercept. I said same slope with a different y-intercept. So this one is a totally same line. Same line means infinite many solution. So this is not going to be no solution. And then look at the B here. Negative 6x plus y equal to 22. You add 6x on both. So y equal to 6x plus 22. 6x, same slope with the given. And then y-intercept is different. So this is going to be parallel, never intersect. So those two are no solution. The other two, if you add 12x, the slope is given as a y equal to 12x plus 36, and then the bottom one, y equal to 12x plus 18. The slope for C and D are 12x, which is a different slope. That means they are intersecting. So trying to find the no solution for the systems of equation, then you try to find the two line has a same slope with a different y-intercept, then there will be no solution. We will do up to here. We study about systems of equation with a no solution, and then the systems of equation with the solution with the intersecting points. Those are we studied today.